One of the most aggressively good-looking cars to ever leave Mitsubishi's production lines is the 2009 Lancer EX GTA. It has a jet fighter-inspired grille that made the entire car look like it's ready to pounce. Runs on a 2-liter inline-4 DOHC 16-valve MIVEC engine, you're certain that this car is on the side of fuel efficiency and high power output. With a wide, proud stance, fascinating side skirts, and its well-designed GT wing, this car is absolutely stellar. The interior highlights the 10-inch Android head unit, Rockford Fosgate sound system, an Android-controlled air suspension, push-button start system, Bride Racing Cuga seats, Greddy monitoring gauge, and a chair on top of an 18-inch IKR race wide rims. 2009 Lancer EX GTA. Look it up here on Autosupply.ph.